Can you explain, and I know these questions are very similar, but kind of the process that Inventor Process helped you with, how that experience has been compared to before Inventor Process?
Well, I had no idea what to do before, where I go, who talk to, anything, what I needed to do. And then talking with you, I got like bullet points of we're doing this time frame, this time frame, this. So I was like, oh, okay, this is what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
So that made me, even more excited because I have a plan. And then now here we go here, and then we go here, and then, it's in all the stores.
Yep.
It was just very easy how you explained each part that we're doing.